Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial video, I will be guiding you through how to sign up for Guarda Wallet. To sign up for Guarda Wallet, go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store and make sure you download this application on your device. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open. From the first homepage of Guarda, click on Create New Wallet. In order to create a new wallet, you will first need to create a strong password, which will help you protect your wallet. Create a strong password in the first text box and then go to the next field and repeat the password once again. After you are done, click on I saved this password box at the bottom. Remember that you must remember your password if you want to gain access to your wallet later as well. And Guarda will not be able to recover your password if forgotten. After you check on the little square box, tap on Create Wallet. Wait for a few seconds and then you will be able to create a new wallet for Guarda. Once you're inside the home page of Guarda, the next thing you would want to do is to back up your wallet. From the main home page, go to the Settings button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Backup. Your backup code will be displayed on the screen. You can tap on the Copy Code button and click on the Download File button in the pop-up. Select a destination where you'd like to download your file. And once you've backed up your code, you can go ahead and get back to the home page. Once the backup is completed, your wallet will be ready to use. You can start sending, receiving, and manage your cryptocurrency within the Guarda Wallet app. That is how you sign up for Guarda in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.